Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to create your contact form. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your plugins, and in this video we are going to be using the wheel form. But guys, I already have this plugin installed on my WordPress website, so I will simply click on it. There's it here. Click on all forms. So after which I'll simply click on add form. So guys, these are the various contact form template. So I will simply build it from scratch. So I'm going to click on blank form. Show you guys how to do that. So guys, you can see these are the various customized fields that you can actually carry and drop here, as you can see. But these other ones here are for premium version, and I'm going to be leaving you the link where you can actually purchase the premium version of this plugin, so that you can have access to these other features. So guys, I will simply need to drag my name. I want to insert my name first. So after which I will simply then double tap on it. I'll click on field option. So you can simply insert the name required, like it should be a star, that someone must fill this form before going to submit, before clicking to submit. Sorry. Advanced, you can simply change that. You can add a middle name, as you can see, first name, middle name. That's it. So I'm going to leave it in that manner. After which I'm going to go back to add field. I'll add, let me say, email address. Voila. That also I'm going to make it should be required. So I'm going to click on the field option. Yep, as you can see. Sorry. Required. Simply write email. So I'll click again on add. Let me see, I can just insert date. Okay, leave it like that. That's the place of birth. So I can just insert again radio. Yep, I can add text. So guys, once you are done with this, with creating your contact form, you can simply click on save form. So guys, we are going to be inserting this contact form to our contact page. So we'll go to our dashboard and click on add page. That is it, all page. So I will simply click on the contact form. After which I'll be editing with Elementor. Which is a free version. So once I'm done with this, I'll simply need to create a widget. Come here and search for shortcode, drag it, go back to my wheel form and copy this code here, the shortcode, place it here. After which I'll click on apply. Once I'm done with that, I'll simply click on save. That's update. So guys, we are going to verify this, and you can simply customize, and you can add like something like contact form up here, like a heading. You have the contact form, or contact us. So after that, I'll click on update. So I'm going to verify. So guys, we are just creating our contact form. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.